US say they will be supplying food to some African countries, and from the way looking of things, Nigeria, if una know say anything wey no good na Nigeria, they go shift them. Na Nigeria they will carry their madness come. And from wetin I hear now, Nigerians will be part of those countries when e be say they go dey supply those GMO wetin call. So now let's look at what is now. And the question is, what is GMO crops? So now let me tell you what GMO crops simply mean. Okay, it's a way of modifying crops. They go the way when they will say modify plant so that insects no go fit eat those plants. Okay, for example now rice, all those insects wey dey eat corn and rice and other crops, maybe tomatoes now, before you know, insect or some will just chop am. There will this GMO wetin call so modification, and the way of modifying these crops so that nothing go dey touch those food. But it did not just end there. That one na the explanation wey they give us. A lot of people say the thing dey cause sickness like cancer and all that, blah blah blah. People go quick buy before their age, even though say science never prove am. But science no go prove all those kind thing, because this one another thing wey they want take reduce some population of some part of people. So those kind things, science, anything wey science go approve na wetin human being don approve. Those people on top na dem go approve. And when you hear science, not just believe too much in those things, because somehow na people still dey control am. So now they tell you now say science never approve and say e go make person get cancer. Definitely they no go approve that part. They go only tell you the part wey you wan hear. So with this way, insect no go fit attack those plants. Okay, so now food when e so e now mean say they go dey depend on that, on the lab. Once they don insert those food now, when e be say insect no go fit eat those crops, for example, those food as well, they no get like those food now. Maybe you buy the orange of such crop, you eat am finish, or you use am take farm, you come harvest am finish, you see that crop, you know if you use am plant again. Even if you plant am again, that crop is useless, is worthless. You go need to go back to the people wey dey produce those either any kind of crops to buy other new fresh crops. Normally, if we plant pepper for our farm, we harvest the pepper, we sell the one we wan sell, we still collect from that pepper reserve for another season to plant. Corn na the same thing. Even cassava na wetin many people dey do too. You collect the stem, use am plant again. And this thing now they wan do now, they will be doing it to all the crops, all the food items. You get, no be say na just corn and apple and that. No, they go dey do, and once they don they get the opportunity, they will be doing it to every produce wey we dey get from Africa. So what did this thing simply mean now? Once they give you, they go use this GMO now, bring this GMO product into Africa. People, if they accept them, once you use that crop finish that season, you go need to go buy another set of crop from them again the next season. This thing now wey them do, so this plan now wey they bring come to see say oyibo na be the greatest yahoo. Now it means say some entities na them go dey control the supply of food, same crops now. So they use them for Europe and some other country, but they want bring am to Africa, because Africa na be their garbage wetin call. Now mind you, if this is allowed in Africa or in Nigeria or in any country, it means say na some people na go dey control the food supply to farmers. And now when this kind of thing wan occur, una go mind you, when they go allow this kind of thing for Nigeria, for example, those farmers like your mama and your papa will go just enter farm, make crops, make everything, use am dey sustain their family. Remember, you think say if all these people on top get the opportunity to be the one to be giving you crops wey you go dey use plant for your farm, they're not going to give you. And mind you, if they not give you now, hunger go dey. This one another way of controlling the stomach of we the Africans. They don't take our oil, they don't take our land, they don't take a lot of things. It no work. Now our food go dey go into our belly. na im dem wan dey in charge of. Aside say that thing fit kpai people, that is not just the only reason, but dem fit still make hunger. If dem choose say this year we no go dey give una crops, say dem come tell you say dem dey short of crops this year, Nigeria no come get crops, for example, hunger na all of them go kpai. So make una no accept. If you know, tell your mama, make you tell your papa, or make you tell your cousin or your, make nobody accept this thing. Make them focus on their normal crops, make them reserve enough of their crops. And secondly, I hear say this GMO plant, then once you plant them for your farm, for your land, it go automatically destroy your land from being fertile. So that your land no go dey fertile again to accept normal crops. So you be the plant for there before. Now only GMO crops, now that land go dey accept. Any day when you plant another crops, it go buy the crops, no go succeed, it no go sustain. Unless na GMO crops. So now they see them. It dey clear, abi? Now these people don't try to use Fulani herdsmen pursue people come out for farm, enter house, so that they will fit dey control a lot of things they no fit. The only way they want come to push people enter house, that's to tell you say Fulani herdsmen are being sponsored from high authorities. No be even the way we dey see am. They make us believe say na Muslim and Christian something, but it's not just that. Na from top. And una hear say one man first confess that, and this same person now wey una dey see for my screen, this Onyocha, his name no dey finish for any fish wey they keep for river. E be like crayfish. Anytime you dey hear all these kind of nonsense things, his name dey. These same people, my mind, they tell me say na the same people where they organize Fulani herdsmen. They pursue people from farm, they enter house all this year. So they don't see say even with that one, I know they work. And the way it's going now, people are beginning to stand up, and they will begin to stand up to Fulani herdsmen. They come out with another strategy of GMO food. When it be safe, if they are proven true, they will come use that GMO crops to destroy una land from being fertile to your normal plant where you first the plant before. And now it will come be just GMO food alone. And this GMO food, now if they start now big man they go dey give them to go the plant. You will be poor man, they'll tell you say they not get crops for you because now big quantity. Mind you, this on their channel, they will make money. Anything when they no consign money where they not go benefit for, they not go do it. They are not bringing this GMO crop for you because say they like you a lot or they want you to better. They are bringing it because they want, number one, they want control with you the entire belly, how you go to plant, how you go to day for your, in terms of food aspect. Number two, they actually also want make sure say that they get money, because every season now where your farm, you don't plant finish, you don't sell, that same money you carry and go back to them, go to buy crops from them, come plant again. You dey get them? Now make I say now them be the greatest Yahoo of all time. They know they sit down and plan anything where be say it go benefit you. Now they want they benefit them. Another thing when you want to know, to run the whole story, to crown this whole thing, you say when these people start this kind of thing, they always look for black people. When they don't sit down, cook their idea up, they'll come look for black people who go market them for them. As me and Anna they tell on so this man, this black man, when you they see for the screen, so they say his name na Dr. Kpokporikpo. Na Igbo man self, according to the name, when I hear the name, na Igbo man, a doctor from that side, you get now. That one don't get anything to lose. His family member is not in Nigeria. His family members are not in Africa. We don't promise him citizenship. He will get everything for there. They with them for there. So him now they advertise. They let us know say GMO crops no get anything bad. You no get any side effect. So may we accept him in good faith. This one na Igbo man. This is how they go sell our birthrights. Now the reason why I be say it go hard for Igbo man to become president, because they go even sell us. Now the reason why a lot of people they fear to put Igbo man in power. This kind of thing you they accept them, you they even they preach to your people to accept them. No be juju be that. Now better juju ni. Eh now what do you want to make I call her?